If you have been following anti aging and biohacking stuff for a while, you might have heard of Bryan Johnson. Now, Bryan Johnson is a tech entrepreneur who has founded a company called Braintree back in 2007, which used to help different online businesses for payment processing. And it was acquired by PayPal in 2013. Then he went on to invest in different startups and different companies. In 2021, he founded a company called Blueprint. The sole objective of the Blueprint is to slow down the speed of aging. And he has been tracking various parameters in order to ensure that he is aging at the speed much lower than the average person is aging. Now, for that purpose, he has developed several scientifically proven protocols. He has changed his diet, he has added a lot of supplements, and he is going through a lot of procedures in order to slow down the speed of aging. And he every few months he reevaluates his progress on different parameters, and if he finds improvement in certain parameters he continues to keep certain things same, and if certain parameters are out of the balance or if he discovers new parameters which needs to be improved, he keeps on adding different supplements and different methodologies to improve those parameters. Now if you want to know exactly his protocol of supplementation, you should go to his website called blueprint.bryanjohnson.co. He talks about various supplements, the brands, and the dose he takes every single day upon waking up, with dinner, before bedtime. And if you actually want to know different things that he eats throughout the day and different activities he's involved in, you can actually check this website and see for yourself that what results he has achieved and what kind of things he consumes on a day-to-day basis. Now, if you want to follow his protocol and do not have a lot of money to invest, or you're on a tight budget, and if you want to follow some of his protocols, then you can use field activator technology to get the benefits of his protocol. Now, he takes close to 100 plus pills every single day. Now, if you don't want to buy all these supplements but still get the benefits of it, I have created this document which actually lists all the supplements that he takes with dinner, upon waking up, and before bed. Now, let's understand how to actually use all of these supplements or get the benefits of all the supplements using the field activated technology. Now, first, you need to give the commands like activate field manager, then you say activate field optimizer, then you say activate Amazon Marketplace emulator. And then, especially if it is morning, you can give commands like activate KSM 66 ashwagandha dose of 600 mg, super B complex methylated vitamins 0.25 pill or one fourth of pill, Jaro formulas Brocomax 17.5 mg. So you say activate the name of the supplement, brand of supplement, and the dose. For example, you can say things like activate life extension DHEA dose of 25 mg. You can say things like activate Solgar vitamin D alpha tocopherol dose of 67 mg. And you can do that for all the supplements in the morning, at the dinner time, and you can also do it before bed. Now, I don't know what kind of effects or side effects that you will experience because of this, but this is a very kind of a effective way of actually getting the effects of the supplements without having to spend a lot of money or any money on actual supplements. Now, if you actually want to follow his protocol, I would recommend you to go through his website. And if you actually want to buy the supplements instead of doing this, you can definitely do that. But if you want to save the money and still see the effects, you should try this once before you actually invest a lot of money into following his protocol. Now, if you want to know more about the field activator and how to use this technology of activating different supplements or the different herbs, you should check this thing. You scan this barcode and you will get to know more information uh, about this technology and how to get access to it. And you can also check the link at the bottom of this slide and still get to know more information about this technology. So that is how you can actually uh, get benefits of Brian Johnson's anti-aging protocol and see how it benefits you.